Welcome back to the channel. I'll be cleaning the outside of my washing machine drawer in the top right hand corner. This is what I'm using to clean it with. I previously also did a video showing you how to open the drawer and how to remove it. If you might be interested in that, you can watch it on the end screen after this one. So now let's get on with the cleaning. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and please enjoy the video. As I mentioned before in the other video, the bottom of the washing machine drawer had discoloration from the actual material of the washing machine due to wear and tear. That's why the grey part seems to be looking white. It's not the leftover residue from the washing powder. I managed to get all the washing powder off and clean it very well.